If you're experiencing a device not found error on your Quartix 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check power supply. Ensure that the device is properly powered. Verify that the power cable is securely connected and that the power outlet is functioning. If necessary, try using a different outlet. Step 2. Inspect connections. Examine all connections to the Quartix 2026. Make sure that all cables are securely plugged in and that there are no visible damages to the cables or connectors. Step 3. Restart the device. Power off the Quartix 2026 and wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on. This can help reset the device and clear any temporary glitches. Step 4. Update firmware. Check if there is a firmware update available for your Quartix 2026. Visit the manufacturer's website for instructions on how to download and install the latest firmware. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Quartix customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the problem and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the device not found error on your Quartix 2026. If the problem continues, professional assistance may be required.